Why ethical AI policies matter.
Ethical AI policies help businesses use artificial intelligence responsibly, protecting customers and building trust. As AI becomes more common at work, clear guidelines ensure fairness, transparency, and compliance with laws. An effective policy benefits everyone, employees, customers, and the company, by minimizing risks and supporting innovation.
Step 1. Identify AI use cases.
Begin by listing all the ways your workplace currently uses or plans to use AI. This includes automating tasks, analyzing data, or customer interactions. Understanding how and where AI touches your organization helps tailor your policy and uncover specific ethical risks or opportunities that need attention.
Step 2. Define core principles.
Establish clear ethical values your business will follow, such as fairness, transparency, privacy, and accountability. These principles guide AI development and use. Involve leadership and staff when defining these values, so everyone understands the purpose of your policy and is committed to upholding its standards.
Step 3. Set practical guidelines.
Turn your ethical principles into specific actionable rules. For example, require regular reviews of AI systems for bias, explain AI decisions to users, and protect personal data. Assign roles for monitoring compliance and handling concerns. Clear guidelines make it easier for teams to follow and enforce ethical practices.
Step 4. Educate and update regularly.
Train employees on your AI policy so they recognize what's expected. Encourage questions, feedback, and reporting of issues, creating a safe environment for discussion. Review and update your policy as technology and regulations change, making sure your approach stays relevant and effective over time.
Building a responsible AI future.
Creating an ethical AI policy isn't just about following rules, it's about fostering trust and innovation. By using this simple framework, businesses can confidently adopt AI, knowing they're respecting people and making responsible choices. Start now to shape a workplace where ethics guide every decision about artificial intelligence.